Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove object in Pixlr. It's a very simple, and let's dive right in. Let's tap into the app itself. Let's select the photo. Let's choose this photo over here. So there's a AI tool in Pixlr which is very good thing. Let's tap in that, and it says remove object, so let's tap in that. So let's say I want to remove this flag. Okay, so let's hit remove object. It is saying remove an object, please wait. We may have to wait for a while. And there you go. It's so simple, right? I mean, this is how you remove object in Pixlr. It's a very good feature that they have, and it's totally free. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I would really appreciate that. If you have any queries, drop a comment in the comment section down below. I'll be really happy to help you with that. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.